Yeah guys, welcome back to the channel. I got some time today and I decided that I would do some work on the front of the car. So yeah, just started to welding the section there. Unfortunately the welder has gone hot, so I just waiting on it to cool down. When that's finished, I would finish weld up there, and I would get my other welder and see if I can weld on the front brace, that the front bar actually, that I had changed from the older one because it was all rusted out and stuff. So took that off and I'm about to put on this one. Not really planning on doing much today. I decided that I would do the front because the back is giving me a little bit of trouble, where I would have to go and get the sections where you gotta bolt up and stuff. I will go welding some nuts and bolts to the back so that I can adjust the trunk and everything. And I also have a bit of a problem with the back glass because it's lining up, but the section where I was rebuilding, I actually have to strengthen that section now because I don't have any crimping tools. So that's basically about it for today. I've gotten further in the harness, but I had to put a stop on that because in order for me to get the right measurements and stuff, I need to run the harness through the car. So I put that on hold, and I decided that I would at least push a little bit more work on the car. Outside seems to be looking good, so hopefully I can get some work done today and maybe tomorrow. So I just want to thank you all for following through the videos that I posted. I have another update coming soon with the stuff that I actually brought in, and a couple other updates on the harness as well. So hopefully I will be able to update those onto the channel. So for any new persons who might be just watching our Glimpse into the channel, I just want to ask that you could subscribe to the channel so that I can get more people as an audience. And I want to thank those who already subscribed for following me as my journey goes with the car. There's also a update where I had to do a suspension change on another vehicle that I'm also working on. I will also upload those videos as well with me and one of my friends, just messing around and stuff. So as I go, hopefully I can get enough sunlight before maybe the rain comes down or whatever. So just thanks for following, and see you later.